Hey there, happy day 1200 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Traveling, as I mentioned, the last couple of weeks and into the next week or so. And what I want to talk about today is just a couple of things to hold on to. Our challenge for our annual challenge this year is to do one thing every day that centers you. And today and yesterday it was a double one. Our challenge is that change is inevitable, but there are things that we want to fight hard to hold on to, hold fast to certain things that are important in our life. So what are those things that we want to hold on to? Things like our core values, things that are really important to us, we always want to hold on to. Those things tend to be the same throughout our entire life. If your family, your freedom, love, relationships, your car, your house, whatever it is, things that are important to you are the things that we'll tend to hold fast to, hold on to. Our habits are another thing we want to hold on to. We want to hold on to our good habits and let go of our bad habits. Good habits like enjoying a good cup of coffee in my nephew's kindergarten cup. This is from 2 years ago. He did a crocodile of kindergarten art, which is adorable. And so I'm enjoying his cartoons and love of superheroes. I love this one. This one is a 3D changing of all of the superheroes art. Love these. And I want to make a video in his room. He's got a Marvel poster with all the superheroes on it. So I'm going to have to figure out how to do that tomorrow, where I can have something to set my camera on so I can use my hands. I have to talk with my hands. What else do we want to hold on to? So we want to hold on to good habits. We want to let go of bad ones. We want to hold on to the things that are working in our life, the results that we're getting that make us feel good. We want to hold on to the relationships that are good for us. Again, things that make us feel good. We want to hold on to the things that are important to us, the things that we value, our core values, our integrity, our honesty, our authenticity, who we really are. We want to make sure that we're showing up as that and hold on to that. So I'm thinking about those things today as a result of the annual challenge, which is why I do an annual challenge, is to have personal development and improvement in my own life and have that spread on to other people as well. Our challenge for Supersize Your Business today, it's not really a challenge, it's just a daily idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How can you use it in your life? Was about the glass ceiling and how do you overcome that glass ceiling and make sure there isn't a glass ceiling in your business or in your organization or in your career, because there are things that you can do. Even if there's a glass ceiling, it doesn't mean that you have to bump your head into it. There's always things that you can do to work your way around that. Learned that through interesting experiences throughout my corporate career as well as my business life. So that's what I'm working on today. Go out, have an absolutely amazing day. If I can help you in any way, ask in the comments below or direct message me. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow for day 1201 of What She Up To Now. Have an awesome day. Bye.